It's early in the morning. The markets, they're about to open right behind me here at the New York Stock Exchange. U.S. stock index futures, they are pointing towards a lower open, but let's talk about that in detail right now with your Modern Wall Street AM Anticipation Report. Now, stocks, they are pointing towards a lower open as investors remain on edge ahead of the Federal Reserve's Jackson Hole meeting later on this week. Now, the Fed will be very important this week for investors as Janet Yellen is set to give a speech on August 26th at the Federal Reserve Bank of Kansas City's annual Economic Policy Symposium in Jackson Hole, Wyoming. In other words, Yellen will have a speech this Friday, and all eyes and ears will be on her words to find any indication as to when or whether or not the Fed will raise interest rates. On the earnings front, meanwhile, Nordson and Premier amongst the companies set to report today, and no major economic data reports are due out. Meanwhile, overseas, a bit of action. European stocks trading lower, while Asia-Pacific markets closing mixed to lower overnight.